Hello everyone, in last video we have discussed few questions from microprocessor 8085. Today I will discuss some questions from the same topic. So let's start. So the first question is, draw the pin configuration and function pin diagram of microprocessor 8085. So as we know that the microprocessor 8085 has 40 pins and the block diagram is look like this. Here you can see the both side of the microprocessor has 20 pins and each pin have a several responsibility of the microprocessor 8085. So move to the next question. The next question, in how many groups can the signal of 8085 be classified? The signal of 8085 can be classified into 7 groups according to their functions. These are: the first one, power supply and frequency control; the next one, data and address buses; the third one, control bus; the fourth one, interrupt signals; the next one is serial input output signals; the sixth one is DMA signals; and the last is reset signals. The next question, what is the technology used in the manufacture of 8085? We know that 8085 used metal oxide semiconductor technology, and it is a N-type or negative type metal oxide semiconductor device, which is consist of around 6200 transistor and it contains only 40 pins. The next question, what is meant by the statement that 8085 is 8-bit microprocessor? A microprocessor which has n-bit data lines is called n-bit microprocessor. That is, the width of a data bus determines the size of a microprocessor. Hence, the 8-bit microprocessor like 8085 can handle 8-bit data at a time. The next question, draw the architecture of 8085 and mention the various functional blocks. 8085 microprocessor contains several functional blocks like register, arithmetic logic units, that is ALU, address buffer, increment and decrementer, address latch, input interrupt control, serial input output control, timing and control circuitry, and instruction decoder and machine cycle encoder. These are the various functional blocks which consist of a 8085 architecture, and these functional blocks are connected to several data lines or 8-bit internal data bus and address bus. Here you can see the block diagram of 8085 architecture, and all these components are connected via several data bus, address bus, etc. The next question, what is the operating frequency of 8085? The 8085 operates at frequency 3 MHz and the minimum frequency of operation is 500 kHz. There are another version of 8085, that is 8085A2, which operates at maximum frequency of 5 MHz. The next question, what is the purpose of clock signal of 8085? The clock signal out signal is obtained from pin number 37 of 8085, which is basically used to synchronize external devices. The next question, what are the width of data bus and address bus of 8085? We know that the width of data bus and address bus of 8085 are 8-bit and 16-bit or 2 byte. So data bus is 8-bit or 1 byte and address bus is 16-bit or 2 byte respectively. The next question, what is distinguishing features of data bus and address bus? While data bus is bidirectional in nature and address bus is unidirectional. Since the microprocessor can input or output data within it, hence the data bus is bidirectional. Again, the microprocessor address communicate with several peripheral devices through the address bus, hence it is unidirectional. The address bus comes out via address bus of a microprocessor. The address capability of 8085 is 64 kilobyte. Explain this. Is the microprocessor 8085 communicate via its address bus, that is 2 byte in width. The lower order byte, that is address 0 to address 7, which is a pin 12 to 19 in among the 40 pins, and the upper byte is data bus 8 and data bus 15, which is pin 21 to 28. That means 8 plus 8 total 16 bit. Thus it can address maximum 2 to the power 16 different address location. Again, each address memory location can hold 1 byte of data and instruction, that is byte addressable. Hence, the maximum address capacity of 8085 is 2 to the power 16 into 1 byte. As you can see, 65536 into 1 byte, that is 64 KB, where 1 KB is equal to 1024 byte. The next question, does 8085 have serial input output control? Yes, 8085 has serial input output control via serial output device SOD or serial input device pin, which is the pin number 4 and 5, which allow it communicate serially with the external devices. The next question, how many instructions 8085 can support? It's a very important question. The 8085 supports 74 different instructions. The next question, what jobs ALU of 8085 can perform? The ALU of 8085 microprocessor can perform several jobs. These are 8-bit binary addition with carry and without carry, 16-bit binary additions, 2-digit BCD additions, 8-bit binary subtraction with borrow or without borrow, 8-bit logical OR and XOR complement, that is NOT operations, and several bit shift operations. The next question is, how many hardware interrupt 8085 support? The 8085 support 5 hardware interrupts. These are trap, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and INTR. The next question, how many input output port can 8085 access? As it provides 8-bit input output address, thus it can access 2 to the power 8, that is 256 input output port. The next question, list of various registers of 8085. The various registers of 8085, their respective quantities and capacities are listed below. Here is the list. The first one is the accumulator or register A. This is the only one register which is store the result, which capacity is 8 bit, and it is basically used to store the result of an operations. The next one is the temporary register, which is quantity is 1 and capacity is 8 bit. It is used for temporary storage purpose. The third is the general purpose register. There are 3 pair of general purpose register, or that means quantity is 6 and each of the registers are 8 bit. The stack pointer is a 16-bit register which is the store the address of the top of stack. And the next one is the program counter. This quantity is 1 and it is a 16-bit register. As we know, the program counter stores the address of the next instructions. The instruction register, it is 8-bit and quantity is 1. Instruction register hold the current instruction which is currently executed. Incremented and decremented at this latch, which is quantity is 1 and the capacity is 16-bit, and flag, status flag registers, which is quantity is 1 and capacity is 8-bit. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.